Wow, guys, two animals, wild animals, boxes. Wow, guys, beautiful. Two wild animals, boxes, high quality wild animals, pieces. Wow, so open this box. So, first, oh, wow, guys, beautiful, high quality animals figure. So, let's go, guys. First figure, lion, amazing, guys. Lion design is so beautiful. Figure, lion, color combination is really good. Wow, green black combination back look is amazing, guys. Lion figure design is so nice figure. So side this guys lion figure, and guys next figure guys tortoise. Wow, guys, beautiful look, guys. Tortoise, amazing, guys. Design beautiful. Tortoise figure look is wonderful. Design is so nice figure, guys. Tortoise. So side this guy's tortoise figure, and guys next figure, wow, snake, amazing, guys. Look, snake design is so nice figure, beautiful snake. Wow, design is so good figure, snake design. So side this, and guys next figure guys deer. Wow, guys, very nice look, guys. Deer, amazing. Color combination is beautiful, guys. Deer, very nice figure. Green black combination, guys. Deer. So side this, and guys next figure, wow, greater flamingo, beautiful look, guys. Greater flamingo design is so awesome figure. Wow, realistic, guys. Greater flamingo design is so high quality animals figure. So side this, and next figure guys zebra horse. Wow, guys, beautiful look, guys. Zebra horse, black white skin or lining skin, very nice look, guys. Zebra, amazing, guys. Design zebra look is beautiful. Wow, so beautiful look, guys. Zebra. So side this guys zebra, and guys next figure guys rhinos. Wow, guys, very nice look, guys. Rhinos, amazing, guys. Look, design is so nice figure, guys. Rhinos, amazing design, beautiful. Wow, so side this guys rhinos, and guys next figure guys, wow, beautiful look, guys. Fox, amazing, guys. Design, realistic fox figure. Wow, look amazing, that look is beautiful, guys. Color combination is really good. So side this guys fox figure, and guys next figure guys, oh wow, guys, high quality giraffe figure. Wow, very nice look, guys. Giraffe, amazing, guys. Realistic beautiful figure, guys. Giraffe design is so nice figure. Wow, wow, so side this guys giraffe figure, and guys next figure, wow, pangolin, amazing, guys. Look, guys, pangolin design is so beautiful, guys. Pangolin, wow, so nice. Back look is beautiful, guys. Pangolin, amazing, guys. Realistic beautiful figure, guys. Pangolin figure. So side this, and guys next figure guys chimpanzee. Wow, guys, beautiful look, guys. Black and yellow combination, guys. Very nice look, guys. Black and green combination, guys. Very nice look, guys. Chimpanzee figure look is wonderful, guys. Realistic chimpanzee design is so nice figure, guys. Chimpanzee look amazing. So side this guys chimpanzee figure, and guys next figure guys elephant. Wow, amazing, guys. Realistic elephant figure Design is so nice figure, guys. Elephant look is wonderful. Design is so beautiful, guys. Elephant. So side this, guys, elephant, and guys neck, guys, snow leopard. Beautiful look, guys. Snow leopard. Oh, so cute, guys. Snow leopard design is so amazing, guys. Realistic, beautiful figure, guys. Snow leopard. So side this, and guys one box open all the animals. Beautiful. So next, guys, wow, I love this animals, world of animals. Open this box. Okay. Wow. Wow, guys, beautiful animals. So side this, and guys next, guys, elephant. So first animals, beautiful wild animals collection, amazing, guys. High realistic all animals. So one by one review. So guys, first elephant. Wow, high realistic amazing figure. Teach elephant. Wow.
Save our wild species and provide a home.
Wow, very nice. Back look is amazing, guys. Elephant figure is so nice figure design. So side this, and guys next figure, guys, wow, very nice look, guys. Hirola, amazing, guys, figure. Hirola design is so nice figure. Wow, color combination is really beautiful look, guys. Hirola design is so nice figure. So side this, guys, Hirola figure, and guys next figure, guys, tiger. Oh wow, guys, very nice, amazing, guys. Look, tiger.
Now you might want to hold it.
Design is so beautiful. Wow, amazing, guys. Skin is beautiful, guys. Tiger figure design is so really beautiful. Animals. So side this, guys, tiger, and guys next figure. Oh my god, beautiful, high dangerous animals, guys. Wow, crocodile design is so amazing, guys. Wow, beautiful look, guys. Crocodile mouth design is really beautiful. Crocodile, wow, back look is beautiful, guys. Realistic crocodile, amazing figure. High dangerous animals, guys. Crocodile, wow, wider animals. So side this, and guys next figure, hippopotamus, beautiful. Wow, so nice figure, amazing figure. Quality is really beautiful. Hippopotamus. Design is so nice figure, amazing, guys. Animals, realistic figure. Hippopotamus. So side this, and guys next figure, guys, panda. Wow, beautiful panda design is so nice figure, guys. Panda, black white combination, guys. Look, guys, panda wear.
Hanya cantik, perempuan banyak muda, ada banyak juta jalan untuk mata, uang dan ring.
Design is so nice figure. Wow, so side this, and guys next, wow, panther, beautiful look, guys. Black panther, amazing, guys. Look, design is so beautiful, guys. Panther, wow, realistic, guys. Panther design is so cool figure. So side this, and guys next figure, wow, amazing, guys. Linus, realistic, guys. Linus figure design is so amazing, guys. Linus. Wow, design is so beautiful, guys. Linus figure. So side this, guys, Linus, and guys, wow, next figure, guys, brown bear, amazing, guys. Look, guys, brown bear design is so good figure, amazing, guys. Look. Brown bear design is so wonderful. Look, guys, brown bear design is so beautiful, amazing, guys. Look, brown bear. So side this, guys, brown bear. Look, and guys next figure, guys, wow, guys, Asian tapir. Oh, Asian tapir, so cute, animals figure, Asian tapir, white black combination guys, Asian tapir, amazing guys. The design is so beautiful figure. So side this guys, Asian tapir, and guys next figure guys, nail guy, amazing guys. Look guys, nail guy design is so beautiful guys. Nail guy design is amazing guys. Realistic beautiful figure guys, nail guy. So side this, and guys next figure guys, gorilla, amazing guys, black gorilla, so cute, wow.
Wow.
Gorilla is beautiful animals, back look is very funny, oh wow guys, very nice look guys, gorilla figure, amazing. So side this guys, gorilla, and guys next figure, wow guys, beautiful look guys, giraffe, very nice. And to giraffe, and better quality is this giraffe, and low quality giraffe is beautiful. So side this guys, giraffe figure, amazing guys, realistic beautiful giraffe. So side this, and guys next figure guys, lions, amazing guys, beautiful lion design is so amazing guys. Color combination is really beautiful.
Oh my.
So side this guys, lions, and guys next canis mesomalis, beautiful figure guys, canis mesomalis animals figure, realistic is very sad animal, animals design, oh beautiful, so amazing guys figure. So side this, and guys next figure guys, wow, beautiful look guys, built wolf, amazing guys, design very dangerous animals, built wolf, amazing guys, look. Realistic animals figure, built wolf design is so nice figure. So side this, and guys next figure guys, polar bear, wow guys, so cute animals, polar bear design is so beautiful, amazing guys, look guys. Polar bear, beautiful look. So side this, and side this, and guys next figure guys, rhinos, amazing guys, very high dangerous animals, big size rhinos, amazing guys, look, design is so beautiful. Beautiful animals figure, rhinos design is wow, really beautiful design, amazing guys, rhinos. So side this, and guys next guys, build yak, oh wow guys, beautiful look guys, build yak animals figure, and this wow, beautiful figure, build yak animals design is so beautiful, wow, realistic guys, build yak animals figure. So side this, and guys next guys, wow, African leopard, beautiful, wow, amazing figure, design is so beautiful, African leopard design is amazing. Realistic guys, African leopard, wow, so beautiful. So side this, and guys next figure guys, wow, kangaroo, beautiful look guys, green black combination guys, kangaroo design is kangaroo baby, so cute guys, kangaroo baby. Wow, very nice look guys, kangaroo design is so beautiful, animals figure. So side this guys, kangaroo, and guys next figure guys, zebra horse, big size, low quality is comparison to low quality is zebra design is so nice figure. Wow, beautiful zebra. So side this, and guys next figure guys, wow guys, beautiful look, hyena design is so beautiful, yellow green black combination guys, very nice look guys, hyena design is so nice figure, hyena is beautiful animals figure, realistic beautiful figure guys. Hyena design is so beautiful. So side this guys, hyena figure. And guys, next look guys, civetta, beautiful look guys. Civetta animal figure is the beautiful, and guys back look is amazing guys. Civetta, wow, civetta animals figure, so beautiful animals figure. So side this, wow guys, my big animals. Wow guys, beautiful big wild animals collection. So this video, like and subscribe my YouTube channel.